Hello there, 5th grade math students. This is chapter 12.2, Angles at a Point. In our last lesson, we learned that angles on a line will always equal 180 degrees. Today, we'll understand and apply the property that the sum of angle measures at a point will always be 360 degrees. Let's begin. In the figure shown here, ray OA, ray OB, and ray OC meet at the point O. Angle X, angle Y, and angle Z are all known as angles at a point. If we add a line, or a ray that we're calling OD, we see that we can create a line AD. Okay? We know that that line is going to have an angle of 180 degrees, correct? Because a straight line always has the angle of 180 degrees. The other thing that we can also see is now true is that angle BOD and angle COD, when added together, equal angle Y. The next thing we can reason out is that the measure of angle X and the measure of angle BOD equal 180 degrees because they meet at this straight line AD. Also, the measure of angle Z, right here, and the measure of angle COD must also equal 180 degrees because they meet at the straight line AD. Therefore, the sum of all of the angles must be 180 degrees plus 180 degrees, which equals 360 degrees. Practice this idea on your own. Name all of the marked angles at point O, and then state the sum of the measures of the angles. There are two practice problems for this. Press pause. We have more to do when you come back. Now let's find the unknown measures of angles at a point. We have a figure here that includes a 152 degree angle, a 97 degree angle, and an unknown angle A, all meeting at a point. We know that the sum of angle measures at a point is always 360 degrees. So we can write this equation. The measure of angle A plus 97 degrees plus 152 degrees will equal 360 degrees. Now we use our knowledge of algebra to solve. The measure of angle A plus 249 equals 360 degrees. Now we subtract 249 from each side, and we solve. The measure of angle A is equal to 111 degrees. Now complete these practice problems on your own. Each gives you some known angles and asks you to find the remaining unknown angle. Remember, the sum of the angles at the point will always equal 360 degrees. These practice problems wrap up chapter 12.2 for us. I know, short, right? When I see you tomorrow, we'll do more work on solving for angles at a point. See you then.